Here we have a 69 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a few, we have the M Sport Plus and also comfort packages. Now we do also have the LED daytime running headlights with the gloss black front kidney grills, gloss black front splitter as well. This vehicle does have the M Performance kit, so as you come around to the driver's side you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. The mineral grey metallic paintwork, colour coded door handles, we have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. You'll also find we have the rear spoiler along with the rear diffuser, twin pipe exhaust as well. Free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now taking a look at the interior. Inside of here, take a look at the back first. For the front seat forward, you'll find the leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points. We do have the M Sport style seat belts. Both the front seats are heated, also electrically adjustable, the memory function on the driver's seat. Harman Kardon sound system, we have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat aside, you'll find the digital dashboard here in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up. Steering wheel is also heated, you can activate it by pressing the button just there and it will pop up on the dashboard. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control here on the left hand side, along with the paddle shifters either side. Digital dashboard free from any warning lights. We then have the main entertainment screen, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. You can see it's currently showing the sat-nav map. We have the other buttons down here, so you can click onto the media to find the radio stations. Over to the left and you find we have all these other options which we can flick through. We do have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Further down you've got the vents, you also have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice cold air conditioning and the heated seats either side. Again further down we have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through the different drive modes. We also have the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Also changes the design of the dashboard for the different drive modes. You can see we're on sport, go to comfort and then also eco pro. You can see it will change depending on the drive mode. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the parking sensors along with the reverse camera. If you go over to the left and then press this button just here, you'll find we have the cameras on the mirrors as well, so you can see the side of the vehicle. Putting it back into park by pressing P, we then have the manual handbrake and finally the armrest just here in the centre. That's all I'm showing you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.